Hi, இது என்னோட ஃபர்ஸ்ட் விசிட் டு ACS. I have heard many things about ACS College, but never got a chance to come. And this is the first time they invited me as a speaker to give a talk on spinal cord injury rehabilitation. I was so surprised to see the facilities they have, I mean the kind of buildings and infrastructure, and the course, the variety of course they offer within the campus and the corresponding campuses is so astonishing actually. And when I saw the Center for Excellence, which had all the latest equipments, starting from gait analyzer and balance analyzer, so your isokinetic equipments, it's all not many institution has. I think the education is taken in a serious note in this institution. The institution is supporting to get all the latest equipments to enrich them. And the workshop what I'm conducting, the students are very interactive, and I thought it may be more of a didactical lecture where I need to talk more, but it was nice to see the students are interacting much with me and raising many small questions, which is very nice to answer. I hope this would have been an enriched day for them as far as the spinal cord injury rehabilitation concerned. I thank the management for this opportunity to be here, and looking forward to have more commitments in the future. Thank you.